Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to put a checkbox or insert a checkbox in Excel. Okay, so if you want to insert a checkbox in Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Here I want to Excel checkbox in all these columns. Okay, so what you have to do, first you have to here you will see a developer option, but you have to enable that option. Okay, so to enable that option, here you will see our arrow like key. Okay, now you have to click on it, then click on more commands. Okay, then here you will see quick access toolbar, and here you will see ribbon. So now go to ribbon, and then here you have to scroll down, and here you will see developer option. Now click on this and click on save. Now go back, then here you will see developer option. Now click on it, and then here you will see checkbox option. Now just click on the checkbox, and like this you can enter the checkbox. Now you can resize it. Okay, you can also move it like this. You can also rename it. Okay, by clicking double click on here. Okay, so like this you can enter checkbox in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.